If the stock tire on your rig is nearing the end of its lifespan and you'd like to step into something a little bit more aggressive but without picking up a ton of road noise, then the Deegan 38 from Mickey Thompson might just be the tire for you. The all-terrain Deegan here will be available in sizes to fit in 18 and 20-inch wheels and in heights ranging from 31 to 35 inches tall. Pricing will swing depending on your sizing, of course, but look to be in the ballpark of $170 on the low side, all the way up to just north of $300 for some of your larger options. So as you might be able to tell from the name, this is obviously a collaboration between the legendary tire brand Mickey Thompson and the accomplished dirt bike and off-road racer Brian Deegan. The 38 in the name does not refer to any sizing in particular, instead is Deegan's number in competition. Now altogether guys, the AT version is the second chapter of the Deegan-Mickey Thompson collaboration, with the very popular and very capable mud terrain version being the predecessor. Now full disclosure here guys, the all-terrain Deegan 38 in my opinion will be a little better suited for mostly on-road applications, but with some occasional light trail riding or off-roading mixed in for good measure. Now that's not to say this thing can't off-road or perform off-road, but if you're looking to spend a majority of your time off-road or in the dirt, there will be some more aggressive AT options here on the site, a little bit more capable stuff like the Baja ATZ, also from Mickey Thompson, in addition to the very awesome KO2 from BF Goodrich. But with all that said, let's dive in a little bit more to the Deegan 38 tire here. And the first big thing that jumps out at me with this particular tire is the rather simple and clean sidewall design here on the 2-ply sidewall. Now that does quickly transition into the side biters here on the shoulder area, but again, certainly not the most aggressive tire here or sidewall when it comes to looks, but at the same time guys, it's also not going to get confused for a Grand Touring tire or anything like that. But moving to the tread design with the Deegan 38, and Mickey states they went with an open void tread pattern with this particular tire, which ultimately means you're going to see a good balance of off-road performance and self-cleaning with some wheel speed here. But since those voids aren't nearly as large as they would be with a mud terrain tire, or even most all-terrain tires, the on-road comfort and noise should be far better compared to more aggressive tires within the category. You're also looking at a proprietary tread compound here with the Deegan 38, a whole bunch of silica baked in, a lot of siping, which means your wet weather traction should be on point with the Deegan in place. And finally, before we totally move away from the tread topic, prospective buyers can expect a rather impressive lifespan here out of the Deegan 38 all-terrain tire. In fact, between 50 to 60,000 miles, according to the crew over at Mickey Thompson, which, by the way, is going to be one of the better lifespans within the category. Also, because this is a 2-ply sidewall, you're not going to get as much strength in this particular area, but at the same time, it's also going to be a lighter tire, so it's not going to make a huge impact to your existing fuel economy. But wrapping this one up, guys, the Deegan 38 in the all-terrain flavor here will combine a simple look with a road-friendly design and lifespan, but with enough guts to get you around off-road when needed. So be sure to check out a set of Deegan 38s for your rig right here at AmericanTrucks.com.